Before we begin this video, please subscribe right now and click the notification bell to get news on Asante Kotoko. Well. Another transfer news. Everyone has been talking about the Felix Anna news since I made that particular video. I've been receiving texts and calls asking about the Felix Anna transfer news, but now we have Christopher Nettey. So welcome everyone, welcome back to Daily Point, the ultimate Kotoko fan channel. If you're new here, you know what to do. Subscribe and hit that notification bell. I'm your host, Clayton Elito. So we'll be talking about transfers. Most of you might have heard or seen reports stating that Christopher Nettey might be leaving Asante Kotoko because Asante Kotoko has reportedly received a bid of 100,000 euros to 150,000 euros from a Swedish club called IFK Göteborg. I don't know if it's Göteborg or Göteborg. And reports are stating that Kotoko are willing to accept this bid as they feel that is the right bid for this particular player. I don't know how you feel about it because fans have been pleased with the performance of Samuel Frimpong since he has been playing under Mariano Barreto. I don't know if Kotoko will be willing to let Christopher Nettey go, but I feel that they might let him go considering the fact that the club needs money. Samuel Frimpong is there playing very well, and we have Habib Mohamed who can also play at the right back position, and we have Andrews Apau, who hasn't made a competitive debut or appearance for Asante Kotoko. So I feel that if Kotoko let him go, they will immediately start looking for options at the right back position. I would like to know your thoughts. Do you think Kotoko should sell him for this amount, 100,000 euros to 150,000 euros? Put down in the comment section and tell me what you think about this transfer. Me personally, I contacted representatives of Christopher Nettey and asked them about this particular transfer story. They refused to comment. They told me that they have no comment on this particular issue. That's what they said. We have no comment on this particular issue. When I heard that, I knew that something was up. I think the Kotoko has actually received the bid for Christopher Nettey, but I don't know if you'll be leaving now or at the end of the season. But I hope Kotoko make the right decision. I also hope the player makes the right decision. He should follow his heart. If his heart says he should stay at Kotoko, he should stay. But Kotoko needs the money, and fans would like to see him go to Europe and excel and fly the Kotoko color, because Abdul Fattah is actually doing well in Sweden, in Europe, and if Christopher Nettey goes out there and puts out good performance, it brings like a huge reputation or a huge name to Kotoko, because clubs will coming to do deal to partner with Kotoko, and it's also actually good news for us too. So I'd like to know your thoughts. Do you think Kotoko should let Christopher Nettey leave the club? Tell me now in the comment section. I think that's all for today. If you haven't subscribed, do it right now and hit the notification bell. Till next time, guys. Goodbye.